using your BISSELL bolt, there may be times you would like to clean your brush roll or replace it with a new one. To remove your brush roll, make sure the unit is turned off. Move the locking tab into the open position and open the brush roll gate. To replace the brush roll, put it back into place on the foot, making sure the circular end is flush with the brush roll driver and the square side sits flush in the chamber. Close the brush roll gate and slide the locking tab back into place to lock the brush roll.